Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new topic in chemistry, that is oxoacids of nitrogen. Before going to draw the structure of oxoacids of nitrogen, we must remember these points. Oxoacids of nitrogen must contain one NOH bond and one N double bond O bond. If the name of the acid is ended with OES acid, the valency of nitrogen is 3. If the name of the acid is ended with IC acid, the valency of nitrogen is 5. If number of hydrogen atom is equal to the number of oxygen atom, there will be a OH bond in acids containing 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay. Now we are going to draw the acids. First of all, we are going to see the nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. Questions? It will learn that. Just first of all, look at the name nitrous. Therefore, valency of nitrogen is equal to 3. Nitrogen valency is equal to 3. Its formula is equal to HNO2. First of all, draw the single atom nitrogen. The nitrogen is drawn. The valence electrons of nitrogen is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there will be a NOH bond and there will be a one N double bond O bond. There is a oxygen, there is a oxygen and there is a hydrogen. For oxygen, the valence electron is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For hydrogen is equal to 1. Then join the bonds. Then we are going to get single bond and there will be a single bond. It's equal to N double bond O. There is a one lone pair of electron and there is a OH bond. So this is the structure of nitrous acids. Then next we are going to see per-nitrous acid. Per-nitrous acid. Per-nitrous acid also has a formula HNO3, similar to nitric acids, but here nitrous. Therefore, the valency of nitrogen is also equal to 3. Here, per indicates here there is a oxygen that is between nitrogen and OH bond. So now we are going to draw the structure. N valence of nitrogen is equal to 5. Therefore it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there is a NOH bond OH and there is a N double bond O bond. Similarly, the valency of oxygen is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but in that case there is a oxygen between the OH bond. Therefore here it must be another oxygen and there will be a hydrogen. So it's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for hydrogen is equal to 1. Then by joining two bonds we can make the one bond, single bond, double bond, double bond. So it will have the structure of N double bond O. Similarly, single bond O and a single bond H. There is a oxygen atom between the central nitrogen atom and the OH bond. So it's called a per-nitrous acids. In that acid, nitrogen has a valency of 3. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss about nitric acid. For nitric acid, its formula is HNO3. So look at the name nitric. Therefore, valency of nitrogen is equal to 5 here. Therefore, first of all, write the nitrogen atom. Okay. Then number of valence electrons equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there is a OH bond O and H. For oxygen valence electron is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For hydrogen is equal to 1. Then there is a another oxygen atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But number of oxygen is equal to 3. Here valence is equal to 5. First of all, join the bonds 1, 2, double bond, single bond, then also a single bond. But there is a one remaining oxygen. Another there is a nitrogen oxygen double bond 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are going to get the structure looks like this. N double bond O, and also there is a double bond O, there is a single bond OH. So this is the valence is nitrogen is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nitric acids. Next we are going to discuss about per nitric acids. Per nitric acid. Okay students, there is a per means there is a single bond O between nitrogen and OH group. So this is a per indicates. Then nitric, the name is written with IC, then valence is equal to 5. So first of all, write the nitrogen atom. Its formula is equal to HNO4. Nitrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a double bond O, then there is a O, single bond O and H. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For hydrogen is equal to 1. Then there is another oxygen atom for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is oxygen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then join the bonds, double bond, double bond, double bond, double bond. Then there is a single bond, then there is a single bond, then there is a single bond. Therefore, the structure of acid is equal to N double bond O, double bond O. It's equal to O, single bond O and single bond H. Per there is a oxygen between the nitrogen and OH bond. Then nitric, the valence of nitrogen is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay students, next we are going to discuss about oxo acids of nitrogen containing 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay. First of all, hyponitrous acids. Hyponitrous acid. Hyponitrous acids. Okay. Hyponitrous acid. It finds the formula H2N2O2. Hypo mean it is in the lowest oxidation number. Lowest oxidation number. Then nitrous means valence of nitrogen is equal to 3. Okay, formula is another H2N2O2. Okay, there is a nitrogen. Acid mean is to must contain the one NOH bond. Okay, O, then single bond H. Okay, just I erase these bonds. Then similarly, there is a nitrogen. It also contains the O H bond. So valence is equal to 3. Then H2N2O2. Right? Okay. H2N2O2. Now we are going to draw the structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For oxygen is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For hydrogen is equal to 1. Similarly, for this oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hydrogen is equal to 1. Then join the bonds. Single bond OH. Okay. Then single bond OH. But there is a valence equal to 3. Therefore, N double bond N. Therefore, it has structure of N double bond N, single bond OH, and similarly single bond OH. So it's a dibasic acids. There is a lone pair and there is a lone pair. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about hydronitrous acid. Hydronitrous acid. There's a formula H2N2O4. Right, okay. Nitrous, it means valency is equal to 3. Then nitrogen, similarly another nitrogen, there must be a 1 OH, there must be a 1 OH, right, okay. But if the number of hydrogen atom is equal to the number of oxygen atom, there will be another OH bond in acids containing 2 nitrogen. This is acid containing 2 nitrogen atom N2. Okay. Therefore, what's formula on the H2N2O4? Okay. There is a formula is equal to, I think, H4. Okay. H4N2O4. So this is a right combination, I think. N2O4, right, okay. H2N2O4. H2 not H2N2O4, there should be another H4N2O4, okay. Then there is another OH. There will be another OH, right, okay. Then join these structures. 1, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here oxygen is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it's equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For hydrogen is equal to 1. Hydrogen is equal to 1. Single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. Then there is also a hydrogen single bond. There is hydrogen single bond. Okay. Then it's also a single bond. There is also a single bond. Right, okay. For hydrogen, valence is equal to what? It's equal to 3. Therefore, there is a single bond. As a result of it, it is going to have the structure of N, single bond N, and also there is a lone pair. There is a lone pair. Then there is a OH, and also there is a OH, and there is a OH, and also there is a OH. Okay, friends. Hydronitrous acids, formula H4N2O4. Then by using these rules, we can derive the structure this like one. Okay, students, watch it, use it. Thank you.